Yes, Assalamualaikum. Uh, I will present brake bleeding lab. Okay, the objective for this lab is to gain a knowledge with the tool that been used in the maintenance of the braking disc and pad. Next, the other objective is to take into practice for the proper process for changing the brake disc and pad. Okay, this is the procedure. First, we need to make sure that we will have wear a safety attire such as glove, boots, and safety jacket. For the second one, we need to prepare 20 mm socket wrench. Then we need to untighten all the wheel nut. And fourth, we lift up the vehicle using the jack, and once the car is lifted, place the jack stand for the right and the left side of the car. Next, we need to remove all the wheel by removing all lug nut using 20 mm wrench. Okay, for extra precaution, we place the wheel that we remove under the car body. Okay, for the seventh step, we need to connect the fluid hose into the brake bleed valve. And after we connect the fluid hose into brake bleed valve, we need to prepare a waste bottle to collect the brake fluid. Okay, next, after we collect the brake fluid, by using a pump and hole method, we need to press the brake pedal, and while one bleed screw at a time is open, it will allow the air to escape, and bleed screw must be closed before we release the pedal. For the next step, we need to repeat the pump and hole method until the brake fluid almost bleed out. And after the fluid almost bleed out, we need to tighten back the bleed screw after the bleed process is completed. Next, we pour back the brake fluid into the brake fluid reservoir or tank. And for the next step, we need to examine the brake fluid level, and we need to remove if the brake fluid is excessive by using a suction bottle. However, this is if necessary. And for the last step, we need to close back the tank or reservoir cap and put the wheel back. Also place all the tool into the place back. Okay, for this discussion, the alternative method for the other than brake bleeding is vacuum pumping and pressure pumping. Okay, next, the importance of brake bleeding is to make sure all air bubbles are removed and prevent the air bubble trap within the brake fluid, where hydraulic pressure is greatly reduced and making the brake is not efficient. And for the last one, there are the research where every 2 years or 30,000 miles. However, there are also a study where the brake system should not be often in normal operation. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.